So this QF thing is really annoying because it's showing up all over the place. And so I don't know if this is the best thing to do because you have this records here, you got this record, you got this records, you got this record, you got this records, and this records, and records, and records, and records. And so do I have to add this to every single fucking thing? Because then you have these position records. You get this get position records, and then because I think for me, for the most part, I don't know how to get around this without just removing this. I feel like I'd have to change all of these. We have this trade records. Bill entry trades. You got these order records. Here there is no QF. We got order records here. So I would need to add it there. Then here I need to add QF. I have to add QF. All of that just for this. Fill trade record. And it's like, where is it getting this from? Order records. I guess I have no choice but to try this to see if it exists. Because if there is none, and then I'd have to go through. Oh wait, I don't need this QF equals thing. All I have to do is just do this. Try QF here, and then I guess I'd have to pass. So if this is possible, What if I just did this? And I did this. And then if I if I'm passing these records to here, and then here I just do here is where I would just do try record PF. Right? Try. Okay. F. QF equals accept. I could do this, and then I don't need this, right? And then QF equals QF. No, I can't. I have to. Yeah, I have to put it as false here. Anyways. Okay, here, so this is where I was realizing, okay. Update POS records. Update position record after filling an order. Get trade stat, QF. Update position record after filling an order. When would I ever need to use this? This is FlexSim. Four thousand. We're still in FlexSim, I guess. When does this FlexSim stop? Simulate rowwise 3205. So now we're not in that. But now we're in another simulator. Oh my goodness. Now we're in simulate NB. Okay. So what I need to do here is this, and I need to set this equal to false. So that way I don't need to keep doing this QF equals thing. So let's go and find it. So QF equals QF. Oh, we need it here. We don't need it here. Whoops. We don't. So we don't need it here. We do need it here. Need it. We do need it. The only place we really need it is here. We do this, and QF equals false. Let's try. Need that there. Need this. This should work, right? Anyways, I'm just gonna go and figure this out. Well, I just realized that you can't actually do a try except inside of a number function. So now I'm screwed again. I don't know how to send a secret. Okay, so after 50 million years of trying, I finally realized that the error that I was getting was because this record was a trade field, and that trade field did not have QF here, so I had to add that. So now that I've finally figured that out, it's back to being fucked up. This is true. So here I have to, oh shit, gotta turn this off, restart, try to run everything again. What? Yeah, so you can see the returns are off. The total profit, the stats are fine. This is messed up. So here we have this. And let's go to this. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so just need to get rid of this. Seems like that's all we gotta do. Then everything should be fine from there. That's so funny that I spent all that time just because this wasn't there. Wow, wow, wow. So now everything is working here. I guess everything is working here, I guess. What? Guess it's working fine. I guess that is working fine. Let's see if we bump the fees up to like 6. Okay. I am just going to, well, I don't even have to guess. I just run the thing. I just do this. So we know that that's working. Oh wait, I have to go back up here. I don't need this. I don't need this. Start everything. Clear it all. Man, that's so funny that I did not. I guess I have to just really read. Again, this is a problem of me just not reading the thing. Let me change the fees. Run it all the way down. Guess let's run it all the way down. Why are these red? What? What? Buy, buy, sell, buy, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. What? What? It skipped right over this? Wait, QF is true. Why is QF true? Why is QF true? Wait, what? Hmm? QF bool equals false. How do you... Why is QF is false? Maybe if I did QF equals false. And then I just did paths. What if I did something like that? Well, now I'm running into the problem of how do I send... Because here I'm not there's no way to check because these are trade records. So unless I go into here and then send the quant freedom here, but then I'd also have to send it here, and then I'd also send it here and here. So I have to send it. Unless there's some type of way. Maybe in the status? No, I can't do that. Well, status is here. Where is it getting status from? So this getting status from somewhere. Trade status closed. Shit. I'm sending it the order records. I have the order records here. Oh, What is the parent ID? Oh. There's nothing that I could slip into here without changing a bunch of stuff. Because the record, the record QF is just not gonna work. This is not gonna work because I still have to send the order value. I think I'm screwed. I think there's no way around it. So I have to go to every place that's called get trade stats. Well, no, I don't. Well, actually, yeah, I do. If this is automatically false, then fill position record in B. I think I went over this last time where all of these things are basically used by what? Fill position records. What calls this? What? If this is only called here, and then get position in B, is how is this a loop like this? Fill position records by aggregating trade records. Okay, but what uses this? What? So here I know I have to get this. Update position record in B. Update position record in B. Then you come down here. Then you're calling get trade stats in B. this equals false. So it's gonna come here. Fill the trade records. I'm so scared that fill trade records. I think this is where it needs to be QF equal QF is bool and it equals false. Pass. And then I send QF to here. I guess I'll also put this as false. Because here I have order records. Alright, so now whoops. Let's see. I guess we're here. Can I just go step? Oh boy. Let's try this again there, buddy. Can I just step forward? Whoa, 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 whoa. The hell is that all about? Why is it automatically going here? It's skipping a whole bunch of shit. Well, let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it's skipping a bunch of stuff. So we first come here. So get exit trades. Building upon the example and so is that literally the first thing that's called? Wait, what? Plot position, positions, regroup, plot P&L. So plot. So then we go here. So then let's step into this. Oh no. What? The fuck? Plot P&L. Return self.trades. Self.positions. Alright, what's happening here? So we're going to here. And this fill trade record in B has QF, so here I have to try QF equals order records QF. Except QF equals false. Okay. So now I have to go over here to order records and actually add this as a thing. And then I guess because it exists, it's automatically true, right? Let's now this is all messed up. So now let's see why. So it's true. True, 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 true. I'd say 0. There we go. So that's 0. Okay, so we'll stop that and restart it. Okay, so we're still messed up. What? 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 So it's true. So QF is true. Then we come down to here. Let's say QF equals QF. So that's fine now. Now I just don't know where else it could be. Now we have some problems here. So that plotting thing is all messed up. Let's debug this. So why is order records I mean, the order records is already so. Order records QF. Why is this automatically true? So I'm gonna set mine to false and just see what happens here. And see if it's still true at the very end. This is all false. So it's messed up. And here you have the order records being true. Oh, it's automatically true? There's got to be a way to set a default value. Wait, what the hell is this? It says a question mark? Why is there a question mark here? Okay, so here, if I click this, it takes me to here. Which is like 8, 16, 32, 64, byte short, da 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 da, int, like this. So is there a bool? Oh my god. Bool 8. Class bool. Bool. Object. Float. What? So you have bool 8 and then you have bool. Hmm. Okay. Um. So I guess by it automatically being alive, so that means that I have to go into the order. I have to. I have to go here to the fill order records. And I have to do this as QF equals false. I have no choice, I think. This is fine. All right. So it is false. So then we send this over to here. Wait, what? 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 Plot position P&L. What? What just happened? Wait, what? Is it possible that position P&L is different than plot position P&L? So mine is fine. This is true. Plot position P&L is fine for me. This is false. False, false. This is completely messed up. So wait, why do we have to even try this? We don't even need to try it anymore. Oh, fuck, it's messed up. I feel like I have no choice but to add them. All right. All right. We're at least doing a little bit better. Wait, why is it true? Why is it true? Why is it true? True? True, 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 false. Wait, what? 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 Fill order record. I swear to God, I... What? What? Wait, what? What do you mean? Why is it sometimes true and it's sometimes false? What? What the hell is that about? What? Why is it true here? What? So mine is all true. This one is all false. And now we have this problem here. Shit, I shouldn't have done that. So this is false. QF is false. QF is still false. Oh wait, is this actually real though? That's impossible. Oh, the fees. What? What? The entry value is $17? What is this? Wait, what is this? We have to investigate. This is all the same. Size, entry price. All of this is the same. Nothing has changed except this right here. But since it's set to false, it goes here. So how is it getting this P&L as negative $2? Well, the first one. What? I had this entry, then this entry, then this. How did I lose 10%? This loss right here makes sense. This doesn't. Are my fees too high? What is going on here? I lost $1.08. My fees were $1. What the hell is going on here? What is going on here? So here I made money. Here I lost. Here I made. Here I lost. So what? I made $1. Here I made $2. Lost one, made two, lost one. Let's now add in the fees. Holy shit, the fees are $5. Oh, my fees are 6%. So this is 1%. This is 2%. This is 6%. So if I wanted, I'd have to do 0.006 for 0.06%. All right. That's why I was like, my fees, my fees. All right, so everything works fine. Okay. Oh, what the hell? So I paid 6 cents. Okay, that makes sense. So that makes sense. Okay. All right, so everything seems to be working fine. This is why I hate programming so much. All this time wasted because I had the wrong fees, and then all that other time wasted because I just didn't have QF. Boy, boy, boy. Also, I think I got it working all with Numba, but unfortunate problem is I had to do this and fill everything in here, even though there's a lot of things that were that already have, like, they have defaults. Wait, why the hell? Oh, it was taking forever because Numba has to compile. So if we restart everything and we run all, all right. So everything seems to be working. Seems to be working. This, get rid of this. I guess that's another thing. It's like when I want to test something or do something, like start really small and then just get the small part to work and then move up from there. This is annoying. Because, like, I should be able to just... Why can't I run this? what is the point of having all these default values if you have to put them in? What is the point of that? It's so annoying. Alright. So now... so what did I say last time? So now I have to get the shorts working. And I think the shorts will work because inside of this, we have it set to say if the direction is short. Wait, if the val diff does not equal 0. I'm probably gonna have to throw this in the if statement as well, because I don't do negative for shorts. So this is gonna say if the val diff does not equal 0 and the direction equals short. Okay, so that makes sense. So if the direction equals short, then the val diff is times the -1, which will flip it to a positive, or a negative if. Okay, so let's see. Anyways, I think that the shorts should work because that is there, and get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. So, man, do I really want to go through and oh boy. Do I really want to go through? If I copy this over, if account state opposition does not equal 0, then a new average entry is size plus account state position divided by size plus order price plus account state position divided by the average entry. So to get the average entry, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're shorting or longing, it's the same thing. Creating a stop loss prices if requested. Stop loss price. New average entry minus new average entry times. I think this has to be a plus. So this is where I do what I said I was gonna do. We come down here to the math section, and we say we have a new average entry. Yeah, it has to be plus. Because if we have a new average entry of 1,000, and we need for our stop loss to be 1% above that, then we do minus 1,000 times 0.001. That's going to give us that. But if we do this, it's going to give us this. All right, so I think what I need to do is copy this, and I'll delete this, and then I will take this and I'll put it into here. First thing I'll do is I'll do this shorts increase. And so here we will do I think I need to actually go line by line. So this will be a plus. So where are we at here? We'll just do this section right here. So we are here. Stop loss percent is new average entry minus stop loss price divided by a new average entry. So this would be a plus. So we'd have our new average entry. Oh, wait a minute. So if we had our new average entry plus divided by, so I'm just doing the math. So here we're going to put this. There we go. So that gives us our, so if we do the math down here, you see that if we have our stop loss price minus our average entry, and we divide it by our average entry, then we get a 1% change. Okay. Hello. Trailing stop losses. I think it's the same exact thing here. Oh no, wait. Yeah. Let's just put some let's just go ahead and put some that looks ugly as hell. New average entry plus new average entry times this. Whatever. So we have a trailing stop loss prices minus this. Okay, that makes sense. So you got this risk check. So down here we have this. Alright, so now we've got to deal with this. The possible loss. Oh boy. So this is our man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. P&L, no fees equals this. Then we have open fee. Oops. Then we have a close fee, which is this. And then now we have this. Why am I even rounding this? Why? What is the point of rounding this? Oh. Probably because the rounding issues that come up, it could be like point. Yeah, okay, makes sense. So let's also go back down here. We'll say this is this minus this minus this. Right? And I think that this needs to be like, so let's go ahead and copy this and place that in the buy. Because this is disgustingly ugly. Right? So P&L no fees is this times temp price minus new average entry. Yes. Temp price. Oh, okay. Coin size times temp price minus new average entry. Wait, what? That's not right. That's this. So coin size times new average entry times account state fee divided by 100. That makes sense. So there we go. So that's this. So we will go here. This. All right. So now we just have to have, for our stop loss, we need to have our new average entry minus our temp price. So it's average entry minus last traded price. Okay. And then all of this remains the same. And I think this still needs to be negative, right? Yeah. Because if I have a P&L of, if I go from 1,000 to, wait, what? Does it need to be negative? P&L, no fees. So if I get stopped out, if I'm at 1,000 and I go to negative, why is this? So if this is 990 minus 1,000, 990 minus 1,000 is negative 10. Why is this? Why is this negative? Why is this negative, but it works? Oh, it's because I want to compare if I could possibly lose $10. Is losing $10 greater than how much I'm risking? Okay. So then, okay. Well, this is going to be a problem when you start trailing your stop loss. Because then this is going to turn into a, this would turn in, so this would go from negative to positive. So this would be like the temporary, this would be an actual P&L. So it would be like, I don't know, $60 profit. And then you'd have 60, then you, let's say you like went down to $50 because of fees. So you'd have $50 of profit. And then you'd say, is $50 greater than this? It's, if so, that's true. So then you don't actually fill this. Okay. If possible loss is, wait, so this is negative? So if I had a positive, then this would be negative. So if possible loss is less than 0 and, wait a minute. So it has to be between, if possible loss is less than 0. If I have 0 here, like this. So if possible loss is less than 0 and possible loss is greater than account risk, then wait a minute. If possible loss is greater than 0, So if possible loss is greater than 0, because if I have a trailing stop loss, then that means that this is going to be positive, which means that it'll flip this to negative. So if my possible loss is greater than 0, then max equity risk. Whatever. Wait. Well, yeah, this has to be max equity because if possible loss is greater than 0, then that means that we have a possibility of having a loss. If it's negative, well, then that means that we actually have a positive P&L, which means that our trailing stop loss has kicked in, and so therefore we need to keep moving forward. So, okay, that all makes sense. So now we go back up to here, and we check this out to make sure. So the P&L is the coin size. This is math checked. This is math checked. Let's see, this whole thing is math checked. Even though I didn't check any of this shit. So we have our coin size is new position divided by this. Okay, coin size times new average entry minus temporary price for your P&L. So if I have an average entry of 1,000, it's average entry last traded price. So okay, so if I have 1,000 minus 1,100, that's negative 10 times the coin size. So that's a negative P&L. So that's what we're going for. Yeah, so this is about the loss. Okay, so that's checked. Then our open fee is our coin size times this. That doesn't change. This doesn't change. And then this doesn't change. So that's good, that's good, that's good. So then here, take it one step at a time. Let's get rid of all these breakpoints. All my breakpoints, all of this. Okay. So getting account risk amount. If this, okay. Account risk amount is round account state equity times this, okay. If not, okay. Then we have this. If possible loss is greater than 0, and possible loss is greater than this. So if possible loss is greater than 0, that's true. And this is true. Then this. Got it. Got it. Oh my god. Now we have to do this. I think all of this is fine. Because leverage mode is leverage, isolated margin is this. Fee to open is fee to open. Size times this. The fee to open? What? Shouldn't that be, why is the fee to open? Oh, I have it like that because the size is already in dollars. So I'd have to do coin size times the price, which would give me my size. Okay, times this. Okay, that makes sense. Uh, Go ahead and where's my little? Here. This. So this is initial margin. Oh, I did not know. Long positions and short positions have a different. So it's initial margin plus fee to open plus fee to close position, which is basically your bankruptcy price. Okay. So now fee to what? Initial margin plus fee to open position plus fee to close position. Oh, the leverage is different. So it's leverage plus one instead of leverage minus one. This is leverage plus one. Which is this. Leverage plus one divided by leverage times. Okay. So this math checked right here. So size times this divided by this times this. Okay. New available balance, cash used, cash borrowed is this. New liquidation. Oh boy. Okay, well, I said the math is checked. I need to get liquidation price for shorts. Okay. So this that's for the liquidation price. So here we'll go ahead and add all that stuff here. So the math checked on this is fine. This is not a math checked. So here, the order cost for shorts is the same exact thing. Initial margin, size over leverage, size times this, okay, size times this. So literally the only difference is this, plus. So this is a math checked. Oh god, it's so ugly. Oh, whatever. Um, as my cash used, okay. So now we have the new available balance, which is available balance minus cash used, size minus cash used. Click formula. Alright, I gotta go. Liquidation formula. For the buy function, this is correct. It's 1 minus its new average entry price times 1 minus initial margin rate, which is this. Don't I already have that up here? Oh, initial margin rate. 1 over the leverage plus this. For shorting, I'm on the wrong screen. For shorting, it is new this 1 plus, and we subtract from the margin rate. So it says here, entry price times 1 plus initial margin rate minus this. So we have that. The math is checked. And okay. All right. There is a difference though, because this is on 133 right here, and then this is 133 right here. So something is awry. Great stop loss if requested. That's where it's at. 30. Use trailing stop loss. Else this. Create trailing stop loss if requested. Else is 43. Use. Oh, that's why. Alright. Alright, we are the same. We are the same. Alright, so we're just gonna keep filling in this cell function. I don't really need to record this because it's just gonna be copy paste. So here I've been doing some restructuring, and I was looking through all of this and all of this code, and I realized that there's just a lot of copy paste. It's a lot of copy paste, and so I realized that all I need to do is grab the leverage. Then from there, you run the leverage through this. Then you check to see if you've used more than you should, and then if more than your available balance, and then if you didn't, then you get your new liquidation price. Instead of having it do it here, then do it here. Then you also do the same thing here. So all of this is a mess. It could just be commented out. And this would be old. So, then we're getting the order cost. Then here we're getting the liquidation price. So I guess we have to check somehow to see if this is actually even going to work. I guess if this comes out to this, we're fine. Long increase lease. Cash used greater than available balance. Cash used is greater than available balance. Oh man, oh. We bought here, we bought here, we bought here, we sold, we bought, we bought, we sold, we bought, we sold, we bought, we sold. Okay, I guess it's working. All right, so we have figured it out. Here I've done, your liquidation price. This is the formula if you know your leverage. Here's the formula if you know what your stop loss price is, and then you want the liquidation price to be slightly below your stop loss price based off of however much padding that you want to put. So then if we're solving for this, then our long leverage is going to be our negative entry price over stop loss price minus stop loss price times the padding minus entry price times MMR over 100. So if we come down here, we have a average entry of, oops, gotta change these. Gotta change these to P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is AE. All right. So we have AE. So we have AE over this. And so we come down here. We have an average entry of 1,000. We got an MMR of 0.5. Stop loss price is 990. Padding is 0.2%. And then our long leverage is going to be AE doing all this, which means we have 58. All right, so if we had 0 padding, then we'd have a stop loss. We'd have a leverage needed in order, if we wanted our liquidation price to be 990, the leverage we would need to use is this. So if we want to have a little bit of padding, we're going to have 0.2% padding, we need to use this. Maybe we even want like a 1%. Yeah, let's do 1% padding. So over here, I have made it so that way we are just going to be barely below our stop loss. Maybe I'll just do 0.2. I mean, in all reality, like I might as well just use my liquidation price as my stop loss, because it's basically the same exact thing. If I get liquidated at 1%, at 1% below my entry, then anyways, we'll just do it at 2. So now that's saying that that this right here. So this should work. So since we updated it, I don't even really know how I would check. Oh, I know what I need to do. So this is how you check. You need to go over to your enums here, and now we need to put some more stuff in here, like we already have leverage, order ID. Look, we need to put stop loss price. Then we need to put liquidation price. Okay. And so now what we need to do is go over to the helper functions and add those. So here, what did I say? Leverage stop loss price, This is going to be liquidation price. And this is going to be stop loss prices, and this is going to be liquidation price. So then what we need to do is go over here and duplicate this and call this log records. Call this log count ID. And so here, I think I need to do something like log true. And then I need to send the log. So we have our log count, this. Now I'm a little bit confused. Oh, so if I don't want this, I don't need this, and I don't need this. Oh shit. Log records equals log. There we go. I think that's how you can do it. Log record index. Process order NB Q quant freedom count state. Let's turn the number off here real quick. What the fuck going on? What up? Phil got an unexpected argument. Order counts ID. Order counts ID. If order counts ID is new order count ID. Got an unexpected argument. Order counts ID. Fill log records. Order count ID. What? Fill log records in BQF. Got an unexpected keyword argument. Order counts. Order. Oh. Same thing. Yeah. Order counts? Where the hell do I have order counts? Fill log records in BQF. Got an unexpected argument. Execute. Order count. Jesus, not order counts, you idiot. God, man. Good Lord, man. What? Another error. What do you mean? No field of name group. Group. What? What do you mean there's no field of name group? Group right here. What? Group, group, group? No field of name group. What? I have group here. Oh, that's why. Log. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, come on, man. No field name group. What do you mean? Log DTQF. Log DTQF. What do you mean? It's right here. Helper Funk. Fill log records. Group. What the hell do you mean? What is the hell do you mean? On line 50. All right, man. Let's try this. You heard me? Helper. Come on, good. What up with you? Come here. We got group as 0. Group. What? How is there no thing called group? Log DTQF. It has a thing. It even has it right here. Group. GROUP. Did I spell something wrong? GROUP log records. How is that possible? New log count, new log ID, group is group. This, all this is fine. God. Log records. IDX size. IDX and then size. What? 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 How? I said the D type is log. God, what the hell is this? How, man? I'm saying that this is what it is. I have to be sending the order records I have to be sending something the wrong. Here it is. There it is, the culprit. The culprit, sir. Shit, I gotta go. Shit, I got to go. Oh my god. Keyword argument repeated. Log records. Log record equals log records. Log records equals log records. Oh. Log records. Boom, bam. The liquidation price. So if we did we did this, wait, what is it? The percent change is this, it's this, divided by this, 0.001. Damn, that's still like $30. That's still a lot of room. Anyways, I could add the padding. Let's see. Disable this. There we go. There we go. What is this? Wait, what? The liquidation price is 1? What? How is the liquidation price 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? Oh, order ID. There's one more. Hold on. What? What the fuck? What in the fuck? I could have my order. I could have my log records be whatever the hell I want them to be. Anyways, so we have checked. So what have we learned? We have learned how to check. I'm just gonna put this. What is that gonna do? What is that going to do? What? 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 Should have changed it. Definitely should have changed it. What? This? This? How are these things the same thing? How are these things the same thing? How are these things the same thing? How? How is this possible? Oh, I guess this is the. I guess. I guess that's the maximum that you can do. My leverage. 58? So I am assuming that it's because of a max leverage thing. No. $58. Why is it still this? Why is it still this? 58. What's going on here? $58. Go. Where? Okay, where's my leverage? Leverage? Leverage is 40. Where do I? Leverage is still 40. My leverage is still 40. And then we get over here. And we have our record. Our leverage is 40. What? What? But yet it's every one of these is 58. Leverage, stop loss. Why are all of these 58? Why are all these 40 now? Um, if leverage is greater than max leverage, what is my max leverage? $62? Why? Wait, no, man. No, 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 no. Something weird is going on here. Something weird is going on here. It's probably something weird with the caching. So now I'll change to like this. Still 40. Still 40. Oh, that's because I didn't reset it. So I have to run it again. 62. So was I just doing that the whole time instead of restarting? I swear to God, I was restarting it. I was doing that and then running it like this. Leverage is 66.2. Can the leverage shouldn't the leverage be able to get higher than that? Why can't the leverage get any higher than that? Is a question. I guess it's just math. I guess it's just math. Yeah, I guess it's because zero, this is in order like zero, this is the highest, so that's why it's like all these zeros, you just get closer and closer and closer to this, like, yeah, you guys get closer and closer to that. So, I guess we shall leave this at 0.001. Clear all that shit. Boom. 62. Let's see what the math says. The math says it should be 66. Oh, that's because I have different information here. Let's see. My stop loss is this. My average entry is this. Well, that's my price, but it's not my average entry. It should still be 66. Oh. What? Oh, no, it needs to be 0.1. But I could do 0.01? That's divided by 100. Oh, this is not divided by 100. So this is 0.1. So for right now, it's 0.1. 62. And that puts my $15, $20. Okay. Okay. Uh, yeah. All right. Well, I'm just now realizing that I haven't recorded it all for the night. So, here we're just working on solving for a short take profit price. And here we have the formula. That's reminding me, do I have the creating stop loss price if requested? Checking risk to reward. Calculate possible loss. Check leverage. What is that? Oh, possible bankruptcy here. Oh, okay. So I did do this. When do I change up the size? I don't know what any of this means. But it's the same thing here. If is this, if is entry, then I do if this, then this. Because it's possible loss. So if I have the prices, I have to get the stop loss. stop loss price equals this. So I say here, if is entry, then I say then I get rid of this. Wait, what? Possible loss is this? Oh. Stop loss. I wonder why I don't put that stuff here. And this needs to be this. There we go. Move that over. This over here. This like that. Delete this. So if is entry, and if it's this, it's this. Ooh, that's not good. Take that back. The reason why is because if the stop loss price exists and there's an entry, if this exists and there's an entry, because we don't want to do this. Yeah, we don't want to do this if there is no stop loss and there is no price. Makes sense. Anyways, so for this, we've got the create take profits if requested. I think we could just do the rest of this. So we say L if take profit prices equals new average entry minus this. So if I wanted it 2%, if my average entry was 1,000 and I wanted it to be 2% below, the price to be 2% below my entry, I have to subtract it. And then if there's prices, we want to do the average entry like this. So if we have 1,000 and this is 9,000 this is 1,000 and this is 980. So that's 20 divided by this. 20 divided by 1,000 gives you 0.02 times 100 gives you 2%. Else this. So this makes sense because if you have a 1,000 and you have a 2% stop loss, you want to do 1,000 times 0.02, which gives you 20. 2% of 1,000 is 20. So you subtract 20 from this, and that gives you your thing. Okay. So everything is looking okay. Oh, wait. We're basically done. Yeah, we're basically done. I didn't realize that. And then here, if new available balance is less than 0, blah, 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 fee to open. We do not need that. So we will get rid of it. We do not need that over here either, so we'll get rid of it. Because we do not send the fees in our order records, we send them as 0. Because you do not get charged unless you check out. And that should be functioning properly. All right, so now what do we do? Oh boy. Oh, so we have this old, we have this, we got these changes for the log. QF, 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 QF. Port